Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Afterpay to Cash App. First, it is important to understand that you cannot directly transfer money from Afterpay to Cash App. Afterpay is not a wallet or bank account. It is a buy now, pay later service that gives you a spending limit to shop and pay in installments. Because of this, there is no option to cash out or send funds from Afterpay to another app. However, there are still useful ways to connect both services. One method is linking your Cash App card to Afterpay. Start by opening the Afterpay app. Go to the Payment Methods section. Tap on Add a new card. Enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once added, your Afterpay payments will be taken directly from your Cash App balance when installments are due. Another way these platforms work together is inside Cash App itself. Cash App has built-in Afterpay features. When making eligible purchases using your Cash App card, you may see an option to split your payment into smaller installments. This usually applies to purchases within a certain price range. If available, you can choose the Afterpay option and follow the steps to divide the cost into multiple payments without interest. Thanks for watching.